Yeah. So Umang, let's start with the itinerary.
Yes, we'll start with the itinerary and sorry कुछ ज़्यादा ही detail हो गया. So we will start with we just landed in the wind city of fire Baku. After that we took a cab Bolt from Bolt and we visited Hyder Ali Museum,
हाँ हाँ
right?
हाँ right वही था.
Hyder Ali. So it is the largest building with no pillars on it. So you can see it from our blogs also. So it is in this shape, I think. I think in this shape, right? Somewhat this shape.
उसमें एक भी कॉर्नर नहीं मिलेगा आपको. It is a structure in the world without any corner.
Oh, without any corner, I thought without any pillars. Maybe.
No, zero corners.
Zero corners. After that, we just went around there for 2 hours. I think a museum was also there, car museum was there close by it. And after that, we just checked into our hotel and we were hungry and we rushed to our savior McDonald's and see what we don't have any vegetarian options except French fries. So French fries was our savior.
But at least वो तो मिला वहाँ पे. So I'm glad.
उसमें भी बहुत इश्यूज थे. वो भी प्लेन फ्रेंच फ्राइज, बस एक ही वैरायटी का एक ही आइटम था और सब विथ मेयोनीज एंड दिस सॉसेज. सो अरे
That was with egg.
यस. So after that we did a walking tour, so with a guide. Entire the old city and new city of Baku वो entire visit कराया on foot. So basically the miniature museums, the flame tower, the Juma Mosque and the boulevards and everything basically.
Miniature
मतलब
library, carpet museum.
carpet.
वहाँ पे we saw books as thin as the rice. मतलब आप बिलीव नहीं कर पाओगे, वो इतना छोटे छोटे थे, इतने बड़े बड़े थे. हर टाइप के बुक्स मिलेंगे आपको. मतलब अमेजिंग.
And after that it was I think 3 to 4 hours trip. I think 3.5 hours around trip tha. After that we just came back and we just chilled out at a cafe at the Nizami Street. So Nizami Street is the city center, so like the mall roads in India, so the city center basically. So city center was lit up, so whole lot of cafes, music, people roaming around here there, a whole lot of museum. But Indians ultimately रात में तो यार रोटी सब्जी दाल चावल चाहिए ही चाहिए. So we found out a Pakistani restaurant and we went there and it was a beautiful end to the day.
हाँ, उससे पहले हम लोग कैस्पियन सी गए थे.
Oh yes,
हाँ,
I
first
forgot.
day.
Yes, it was too hectic. I was thinking कि कुछ तो छोड़ रहे क्योंकि कितने छोटे में तो हमारा डे खत्म नहीं होगा. After that we went to the Caspian Sea. So we were walking adjacent to Caspian Sea. The winds were so strong and we were not able to stand. We drank hot chocolate and opposite to that was I think the largest mall of Azerbaijan, Denis Mall. So it was a shape of lotus shaped and it was a huge mall with all brands and different things. So the stock and the clothing or the setup you see in India or in Asia, it's quite different in Azerbaijan. The concept of stores and the concept of the food court and everything. We ate pizza.
पिज्जा.
Yes, pizza we ate over that day.
हम लोग पिज्जा भी खा लिए, इंडियन भी खा लिए और कैफे में भी चिल आउट कर लिए. बहुत जगह खा लिए हम लोग, बहुत खाए उस दिन.
बहुत. It was a hectic day after all. और सुबह से कुछ खाए भी नहीं थे except for French fries.
Yeah, that's it.
And after that we went to bed and इतना cozy room था हमारे होटल का. It was इतना cold था and after that I don't know उसमें क्या heater था और something like that. It was keeping it warm and रात में 2-3 AM पे the wind sound आ रहा था. The streets were quiet and everything. So we were actually staying close to I think some government building or embassy or something. So it was a very security prone area. So cars were not there. So बहुत एकदम सुनसान में रात में winds की आवाज़ आ रही थी. So it was a good night. So after that second day, I think our plan was Gabala.
Yeah.
I think some people call it Gabala, Gabele or something like that. So we started it off bit early And breakfast was amazing at the hotel on cheese and olives.
Yeah, let me say that, please.
Yes, please.
We ate bread, we ate fruit. You can get any fruit. Main highlight, Milkmaid in a bowl. It was served. Milkmaid. We had multiple varieties of cheese. I think 3 or 4, and we had olives, green and black olives. That was our breakfast. So it was something different. I would say a completely English breakfast kind of a thing. So it was something that we actually liked it. Like we liked the concept because we were not eating anything related to egg, right? So that was the thing that we could eat, but it was still fulfilling.
I think that time was the first time we started loving olives at least. So उससे पहले तो olives ऐसे ही कोई पिज़्ज़ा में खा लिए, and olives were amazing. Fruits and vegetable of Azerbaijan is so good, so fresh. You should definitely try. And after that we started around 8:30 in the morning for Gavala. On the way, a specialty of Azerbaijan is their kutub. So roti, inside that spinach and cheese is there with some za'atar and some spices. So you should definitely try. It's eggless and plus it's vegetarian. So you should definitely have a try. It's amazing. After that, I think we stopped at some small waterfalls and some lakes and some gardens. After that, we just went to this resort to Fankan, or it was in Shedag. I don't remember the exact name, but it was a snow complex. So we did a 4-way ropeway. So basically, you start from one place, go to another place, then another place, then another place. So after that, you come back again to this place. And each of the stops at 4 corners are so amazing. And it was, I think, snowy that day or around 2 degree. It snowed the last night.
But it had snow.
It had snowfall. So people were skiing. We just sat down, enjoyed the climate. It was at hilltop.
We were playing with snow. We were throwing snow on each other, and he had his SRK moment there.
Yes, and the snow was amazing. I don't know. I've
was
seen
very soft.
India
It was
snow,
very soft.
But it was very soft, and you just feel like you touch it. And so after spending around 2 to 3 hours over there, so we came back, and entire journey 3 hours from this Gavala to our hotel, I think we had almost slept only because it was very tiring day. And we know that after reaching Baku, our hotel, we will change and again we'll go back to Nizami Street. So he did the same thing only. So we went back again to Nizami Street. We explored the streets. We just did some shopping of souvenirs and fridge magnets and keychains and everything on the Nizami Street. It was very vibrant, very lively.
Do you want to talk about metro, that underground thing that we went through?
Metro. Yes. So the metro was so deep, and you will just, it's like a subway kind of a concept. I think we'll just go down at night. It is very scary, but we just went before the night. So people were sitting over there. Some people were singing, playing instruments. Whole lot of eating items was also there. I think some popcorns and some ice creams, and some ice cream is a must try. So in that cold weather, we had experience around 2 to 3 degree was the temperature, and winds were making it feel like 0 degree. So in that climate to eat
It was
ice cream,
so cold.
it was a great experience. I think a better experience to have is ice cream rather than the hot chocolate. As far as please comment your preferences. You would like to have hot chocolate or ice cream in this 0 degree kind of a weather. And so we started the third day. So we again went back to hotel and slept. So the third day we started a bit late because 2 days have been very hectic. We were just getting, I think, 5 to 6 hours of sleep, and it was very tiring. So we started the day at, I think, it
9:30ish.
was not late, but as far as our dictionary is concerned, it is actually late. So we started at 9:30, around 9:30, 10ish around. We went to the museum. I think some rock garden.
Something like that. Can I take it forward from here?
Yeah, sure.
Like, because that day was something that I loved the most. I mean, because it was something new experience for us. So we went to some museum that was kind of a boring thing, but okay, that was included in a tour that everybody visits, so we just visited. And then the best part, mud volcano.
No, please explain the journey.
Yes, please go on. You're the best at it.
No, it is actually we started a different kind of a different kind of vehicle goes to the mud volcano. It is rocky roads and everything. So we were only just a single car. It was whole desert and nobody else was there, and we are in the strange country without network, and in that place no network was there. No network and strange country, but around every place were the mountains, and it was a dream picture. Wish I could have captured it, but to see the beauty and everything, we just captured one or two pictures only. And after that we landed at the most beautiful and exciting place, which she would explain you. How was the experience at mud volcano?
We just went there and we dipped our hands inside.
Yes.
Oh my god, it was so soft, it was so good. The sand, we literally applied it at our hands, and we took 2 bottles, but we could not because we were not allowed to take it inside the check-in. Sorry, not the check-in.
On the plane we were not allowed to carry
Yeah.
any kind of, so basically sand is a prohibited item, so we are not allowed to carry. And I think the most beautiful thing was there, a small lake was there. So at such a height on top of a mountain, a lake was there with the most clearest of water. So I could easily see ourselves in that water. I don't know what is this nature. This nature is
But it was
It's
so
beautiful.
windy, it was so
still
good.
still the volcano is very hot.
Do you remember the temperature? Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so I think the temperature was around 5 degrees, and the sand,
It
the
was
mud
so
volcano
warm.
was so hot, we were just able to dip our hands, I think the palm, and we were not able to go beyond that because it was so burning hot. See, again the beauty of the nature. In such a cold weather, still the volcanoes are hot. After that, we went to, I think,
Fire temple.
fire temple.
Or did I
So
miss out something?
I think fire temple. After that, we went to fire mountain. So both the
Oh.
places were phenomenal, a wonder of the world, I would say. So how the fire keeps on burning at the temple and at the mountain.
His favorite place, by the way, I think around that time only in India we had this opening of Ram
Mandir, yes. On that day only we visited the fire temple. At that morning only the inauguration of Ram temple at Ayodhya happened. So it was a coincidence, and it was a very peaceful place. Again back to the same thing. We came back to Nizami Street. Again chilled.
I think you
at a
missed out
place.
one place. We went to Highland Park.
Oh, how can I miss that?
So what happened was on our way back, we took a drop at Highland Park. It is the most windiest place. It is the top of the Baku where you can see everything.
Everything.
Winds were so loud, so loud. I mean, you could hear them so clearly. And it was so chilly. It was extremely chill. We were not able to stand even for a photograph. I mean, we had all covered and everything. But that 30 minutes, even standing there for 30 minutes was so difficult. But we just enjoyed the view. It was so pretty. It was so pleasant. I mean,
Very good.
we felt like, wow. I mean, what an experience. So, मेरा तो वो
I'm
best
feeling
part
cold
था.
thinking about that. It was very windy, and the temperature was not that low. Also, I think 2-3 degrees, but it was
It
feeling
was
as
so
if,
windy.
oh, so windy. We were not able to say we thought we'll see the sunset from there, but we were not able to stand for 10 to 15 minutes
In fact,
also.
face पे इतना ज़्यादा ठंड लग रहा था ना. Like face पे पूरा wind आ रहा है. We had to turn around and then stand
Stand.
to protect our face.
It was very cold. I am just shivering thinking about that. It was very great, and after we just walked back to
Yeah.
our hotel. So it was a good 1.5 kilometers around, but still this climate and seeing the local areas, the local people, the local shops, it was a great experience. So I would suggest everybody in any country you are visiting, at least try to just walk a
Yeah.
bit and see the areas which is not explored by the tourists. So we took a route which was not explored by the tourist inside the actual residential areas and inside the shops and the gardens and parks of Baku. So we were able to identify how people are living, how
And I
the
think
life is
Baku is
there.
a very walkable city. You
Yes.
can walk, like you can walk very
Yes,
easily.
easily. Please carry your shoes, and plus some water is available, so water is not a problem. But please have a sports
And
shoes.
please have somewhere to carry your stuff out.
Yes. So we could have exchanged. So she was holding it sometime, I was holding it sometime. So please carry a backpack. It is better to just carry it on a backpack, the stuff, instead of holding on a packet or on a sling bag or something. Backpack is a more convenient source. And after that we came back to the hotel, we changed again, we went down to Nizami Street. So our hotel was approximately 4 to 5 minutes walk away from the Nizami Street.
I think इस दिन भी इंडियन ही खाए थे ना हम लोग, बहुत भूख लगा
हाँ,
था.
इस दिन भी. सो एवरी डे कहीं कुछ मिल नहीं रहा था, मतलब मिल रहा था, लेकिन इट्स जस्ट दैट वी आर दिस एगलेस वेजिटेरियन पीपल. सो हम लोग कैरी किए थे सब कुछ, तो लेकिन स्टिल भी फिर माइंड में आ जाता है ना कि आप अगर रुक जाओ कहीं पे तो यू वुड एटलीस्ट स्पेंड 1.5 आवर्स, और फिर आप टायर भी हो जाते हो, आप घूम नहीं पाते हो.
So basically इनको जब तक दाल चावल और रोटी सब्जी मिले नहीं, इनको नींद नहीं आता है.
Yes, it is यार, मतलब it is what we just work and we live for. At least a one time soulful. I think that day हम लोग 2 जन जो खाए थे वो शायद 4 जन का खाना होगा. मतलब हम लोग जो होल डे में खाते हैं ऑर्डिनरी डेज में, उससे भी ज्यादा शायद एक टाइम में बैठ के खाए
Because
थे.
we walked so much, right?
Yes, and it was in cold weather. It's good
Yeah.
to eat this warm food. So the plain falka, the rotis, plain falka was tasting like heaven. With the plain aloo ki sabzi or paneer ki sabzi, I don't remember. With the plainest of sabzi, not even something fancy, but it was amazing.
Right.
After that, I think we just walked around to some other place.
It was the
and just
last day, so we wanted to cover out
Yes.
everything, whatever
so we
is left.
sat at the chair at Nizami Street and seeing the entire street, and we were a bit emotional. With 3 days only, but we were attached to this place. It was as if our itinerary and routine was there. We would go out in the morning, evening, come back to Nizami Street, walk around, see all this.
I mean,
Shaking.
हम लोग जितने भी टायर्ड थे, रात को वहाँ आके ना आप एक फ्रेश हो जाते हो, आपका सब थकान निकल
बहुत
जाता
अच्छा,
है.
yes. And singing चलते रहता है, कहीं डांसिंग होता है, कहीं सर्कस होता है, and everything is so unique, so good. You are at peace. So you should definitely, I would suggest, आप जितने भी दिन जाओ, please take your hotel closer to Nizami Street, and कितने भी tired हो, please go there, please. It will de-stress you to the core.
इन्होंने मुझे रोज फोर्स किया था, और मैं बोल रही हूँ, मैं इतनी ग्रेटफुल हूँ ना कि मैं फाइनली उठ गई बेड से, क्योंकि आफ्टर द डे यू आर वेरी टायर्ड टू गेट अप इवन, बट द मोमेंट आई stepped out there, right, it was pure magic.
Yes. And फिर it comes the last day, the most emotional part. इंस्टेड ऑफ कि आपको रूटीन में जाना है, लास्ट दिन आपको इसलिए भी ख़राब लगता है कि ये कितनी अच्छी सिटी, इतनी ऐसी सिटी जो कि मतलब एकदम वेलकमिंग है आपके लिए, जहाँ एवरी पर्सन्स आर सो वार्म, सो गुड. हाँ, थोड़े बहुत होते हैं, लेकिन ऑलमोस्ट एवरी पर्सन आर सो गुड कि आप चाहते हो कि यार ये एटमॉस्फेयर में रहे, ये नेचुरल ब्यूटी में रहे. एंड द लास्ट डे आई थिंक वॉज द हाईलाइट ऑफ आवर टूर. So we went to this Shahdag resort, and you know what, as we reached, it started to snow. So what, we were chasing it for 4 days. We were telling our drivers, take us to the snow place, take us to the snow place. Remember the last day, it was snowing like a bit flakes. It was so beautiful. I was not able to express. Nobody can able to express this.
We
आपको
were on our
देखना ही
way
पड़ेगा.
to Shahdag, and it started snowing in
Snowing.
between. We could see from a car. We
Car,
could even
yeah.
touch it, right?
Yes. And as soon as we just landed, we reached the Shaidag resort. It started to snow heavily, more heavily, and the snowflakes were so good. And the temperature, was -7 degrees, and the real feel was -12 degrees. With the wind, always in Azerbaijan, you have a temperature drop by 3 to 5 degrees. So after that, we I think went
On the best part
on
of
the
the
best.
trip.
No, best part is about to come.
Oh.
So we went on to the quad biking. Again, I was not able to hold the things in entire gloves. We were having gloves, had the thermals, had jackets, mufflers, scarf. I don't know what we did not have. Still, I was not able to hold the handles of the quad bike. So I asked her, please, you drive.
So
And
we drove it like a one way, him and then coming back me.
Yes.
But alone, I don't think either of us would
Either of us
have
could
been
be able
able
to draw. Yes, it was, and plus you can't see anything. We being with glasses, so it was very difficult. So we had to carry one extra set of glasses. So to order to just go through it, it was very.
But just imagine you're traveling in the snow, like entire snow covered everywhere, snow,
yes,
and
the
that too in
trees-
that.
trees.
It was
With the
hell of
branches,
experience.
you'd see in the, you call the pictures, movies, with the pine trees with no leaves and snow falls on top of it. Amazing. After that came the
Yeah.
most thrilling experience. It
Ever.
was the roller coaster. So she was in front and I was at the back. So it was a two-seat roller coaster. It was going up.
I think they have option of one.
Yeah, but I was not. We did not had courage in this minus. I think as the day progresses, the temperature dropped because I know at that time we were leaving, the actual temperature was -10 and the feeling was minus 13 or 14. So it was dropping drastically, the temperature. So we going up. It was a slow drive. I thought that it is easy. It's not nothing of a challenge. And what I need to hold the gear in order to move front. As soon as I leave the lever, it stops. So I thought that is okay. They are just kidding with us. They charge so heavy money. I know. I told her it was such a small easy thing. We have wasted money. But we just went up at a point.
But going that journey
Journey
was so
was so
good. The
good.
view was amazing. And I was in the front, right? So I had all the wind on my face. Like it's like my face was freezing. And when we were coming down, oh my
Oh.
god, I don't know what happened. My face was entirely frozen. His hands were so
My
stuck.
hands holding that lever, oh my god. I was not able to hold it, but I'll tell you, it was the most amazing journey. I know she suffered a lot because of the wind. It was a zigzag road, and steep 80 degrees, 70 degrees, 80 degrees drop.
मतलब ये बेस्ट था लाइफ का दी बेस्ट थ्रिलिंग राइड एवर. इतना हाइट से जा रहा है कोस्टर, इतना अच्छा व्यू है, मैं बोल रही हूँ बेस्ट थिंग है.
Best एकदम नीचे आते टाइम I was feeling so bad for her कि I could hold my hand.
It
I
was so-
tried लेकिन I was not able to, so I'm sorry. So but लेकिन it was a great journey. And उसके बाद नीचे आए थे ना, तो एक बार तो आपको
मतलब ऐसा लगा
लगेगा
कि पूरा
पूरा करते ही जाओ.
वापस मतलब
It was so
मजा आ
long and
गया.
it was worth. मतलब जो पैसे
More
लिए
than
थे,
worth.
it was worth. मुझे पहले बहुत एक्सपेंसिव लग रहा था. I was thinking यार इतने महंगे हैं, लेकिन मतलब एंड में ये लगा it was very cheap. इतना बड़ा था. It took around I think 4 minutes to go up and 3 to 4 minutes to come down. So I think a good 6
Yeah.
to 7 minutes on a total. It was a great. After that we came down. We ate some pizzas. We are hungry like hell. So we know that on our way to airport, because we had a flight to catch that night only. So we know that from Shahdad it takes 3.5 hours drive to the airport. So we know that we can't eat anything else. So we were just eating some pizzas, some hot chocolate, and just preparing for the long drive ahead. And the saddest part was that we were going back, and the journey back was good.